Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. So in the previous lessons, we have talked about the differences between the apply map function versus the join syntax, whereby the apply map function can return a text when the key within the fact table couldn't be mapped in our mapping load table. Whereas when we talk about the join syntax would not return any text when it couldn't find a join key to be joined with our fact table. A join syntax will always return a null value when it has keys that couldn't be joined, right? So today we are going to talk more in detail about the third argument within the apply map function, where we can return a function so that it can compute a certain result when there is mapping key that couldn't be matched with our mapping load table. Alright, so for this instance, we have a record of May 2022 that is not in our mapping load table, right? So for this record of May 2022, we want it to be mapped with the default value. For example, our default value is the year of today's date, right? Now let's reload our data, close this window, go back to our sheets, and yeah, our year has been mapped to our default value by using the year of today's function, right? Now let's try with another function using the subfill function. Alright, let's go back to the load editor, and I'm gonna remove the year function here, and I will replace it with subfill. Alright, now if we do not know what is the parameter to be returned in this function subfill here, we can always go to the help mode and we click on the function subfill here, right? Now this will bring us to the Qlik help document, where we can take a look at the syntax that has been written here. Alright, so the argument that is required for our subfill function is a text column. Alright, so we need a text column here, and we need the delimiter and also the field number to return the substring. Alright, so now let's go back to our QlikSense desktop. Now for the subfill, this will be the date column, and now for the delimiter, this will be the forward slash. Alright, so I'm gonna add in single quote, add in the forward slash, and let's add in a comma. The third argument will be the field number. Alright, so this will be the first component, and the month will be the second component, and our year will be the third component, right? So I'm gonna add in 3 here, and now let's reload our data. Close this window, go back to our sheet, and yeah, there we go. Right? So a subfill is a more robust function to be used if we want to map a certain value back to our fact table, because this function here would allow us to have a default value to be returned in our fact table if the map key couldn't be found in our mapping load table. Alright, so yeah, that's all for the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next module. Thanks and bye bye.